सर लुक सेंटर रखिए।
यहाँ पे सेंटर सेंटर
Definitely it takes a lot of time. This year we are launching a web series for Mr. India, 8 episode, and Divya Agarwal is the host of the whole web series. तो जल्द ही आपको इसके बारे में डिटेल्स आ जाएंगी. We have been tied up with 55 countries and biggest in the world, maximum international title, maximum winner.
Thank you. I always look for the inside beauty. So talent for me is the key of today's selection. And of course, chivalry and well-dressing goes hand in hand. Everyone is into wellness. अगर जो नहीं भी है उनको भी मैं बोलूँगी wellness पे आओ. So I am into wellness. I'm a wellness entrepreneur and I create health supplements, which is the need of the hour because nutrition पूरा रखना है and nutrition से ही आपको proper health and wealth मिलेगी. Thank you. Okay, so a lot of new products are coming up. A lot of exciting products are coming up. Vegan protein, vegetarian protein is a new launch. Collagen is one of the flavored collagen is something which is very exciting and people are loving it. So yeah, we're gonna work continuously in formulations and bring out the best for everyone out there.
It's like 21st year of Rubaru Mr. India, and we all are like been working together from last plenty of ages, like years and all. So this time we have come with something new, ventures and everything, which थोड़े टाइम में आप लोगों को अमित खन्ना और बाकी लोगों से पता चलेगा. और बस आप लोगों की वजह से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे और आगे भी आप लोगों की वजह से आगे भी जाएंगे और हमारे सारे और एसोसिएट्स मेंबर्स की वजह से हम बहुत अच्छा कर पाए. उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स ऑल टू यू अमित खन्ना.
I think that we've got a spectacular group of 16 contestants who made it to the top 16, and each of them have put in a lot of hard work, and it's showing they've worked well. The entire team of Rubaru Mr. India has groomed them, and they have brought them to a level of confidence, of charisma, of putting themselves up there in front of everyone. And I think each of them have put their best foot forward today, and I'm so proud of each of them.
It's again surprise for everyone. So I think for that you need to wait for a few more minutes. So let's see. The best one will win, I'm sure about it.
My favorite is Pankaj because he's the person who's put in the maximum.
Okay. मैं मिलिंद सुमन मेरे बहुत फेवरेट है और मुझे देखना है कि उनकी तरह कौन हो सकता है आगे चलकर, कौन सुपर मॉडल बन सकता है, कौन ऐसा मिस्टर इंडिया बन सकता है. सो मैं इसलिए एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई वांट टू सी. सिंगल ले.
I think 21 years of such a contribution to the Mr. India, it's a very big achievement, and being the only male, it's so good because हम हमेशा fashion shows जाते हैं, we see so many pageants having male, female or only female, and females का जो fashion shows और pageants होते हैं, they are so popular, so keeping the men alive, that's
How are you?
I'm great. So I'm here for the grand finale of 21st Rubidum Mr. India. I'm really looking forward to watch the show, meet the incredible team that has put this together, the amazing pool of talent, and the hot, young, sexy, intelligent men. Actually, I'm really excited to meet Mr. India tonight.
बोलो क्या
देखिए मैं बहुत सारे ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स मेन एंड फॉर वुमेन होस्ट कर चुका हूँ. बहुत सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को ग्रूम भी किया है. मेरी खुद की शुरुआत आज से कुछ साल पहले आई स्टार्ट विद द पैजेंट, तो तब हमें पता नहीं था कि स्टेज पे कैसे बिहेव करना है. और जो इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, आई थिंक दे गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस स्टेज पे आने का, लोगों को फेस करने का, आप सबके सामने रूबरू होने का. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि
सबको ऑल द बेस्ट. और ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट होता है ये इजी नहीं होता सबके लिए, बिकॉज आपको अपना बेस्ट दिखाना होता है. हर एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ आप compete करते हो. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट्स. और मीडिया को थैंक यू कि आप सब आए, आप इतना प्यार दिया. और आई थिंक शो भी बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर भी था, लास्ट ईयर मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था, बट इस साल मैंने कहा मैं मिस नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बट सो डेफिनेटली अब कहते हैं ना श्री जगन्नाथ जी का जब आशीर्वाद हो सर पे तो सब होता है अच्छा कुछ.
Mr. Rubaru.
मिस्टर रूबरू.
ऑफ कोर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसे कॉन्टेस्ट होना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक कि कंटेस्टेंट को देखना चाहूँगी कौन जीत रहा है, क्योंकि अंदर ऑलरेडी चल रहा है अभी फाइनल राउंड. सो आई एम
हाँ, 10 minutes. I just land for flight. Thank you.
हाँ, मैं भी विनर हूँ ना. हाँ तो पता, इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ कि जो स्टेज पे हालत होती है मुझे मालूम है क्या होती है. इट्स नॉट इजी. सो यू रीच्ड हियर, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guru 21st, Parimal, Amit, and everyone on the team, all the boys, all dapper looking men over here. And congratulations for such a great feat. It's been a wonderful. It's been a wonderful experience to be here because I come from the background of fashion, and then whenever I come for a fashion show, I know all the adrenaline that is there, all the anxiety that is there, and well, the world is your oyster now. Congratulations, God bless you all. Congratulations.
वेल पहले तो मैं पंकज और अमित को ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगा. एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर बीइंग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सॉट आफ्टर मेल पैजेंट. एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द विनर्स, जो विनर्स है. एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी वॉज अ विनर इन देयर ओन राइट. जितना भी मैंने देखा है, आई हैव कम अ लिटिल लेट, बट जितना भी मैंने देखा है, आई थिंक ऑल द गाइज वॉज सुपर अमेजिंग. एंड चूँकि मैं कास्टिंग में भी हूँ, मैं कास्टिंग भी करता हूँ, तो आई अर्ज all the winners and all the contestants to come and contact Palash Datta. मैं उन लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं hopefully casting करूँगा. So all the best to all you winners and keep shining. Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Actually, more than me, my parents, Pankaj sir, Manav sir, and my fellow contestants, everybody who supported me and who believed in me, they all are more proud than me. And this is a really exciting and unfathomable moment for me. I still can't believe I am the winner. I manifested this, and now this is true, so I am really, really happy.
Yes, from the day one. Because he was best in all activities. Apart from that, his face, he won many subtitles from Best Photogenic to Face of the Year and Fitness as well. So from day one, and I think he's the first Mr. International title with the less height. So we want to make a statement that height doesn't matter if there is a talent.
Same what Pankaj just said, that from day one we were like, because the hard work we can see it out when we choose it from the audition level. So definitely, and again the hard work you can see it out from last 2 months. He's like working very hard, and today the result you can see it out. Say.
This is a really special moment for me. From that side to this side, the journey has been really tough, but it has been really exciting and really fun. And thank you for all the love and support that everybody who has believed in me, everybody who has supported me, everybody who cared for me, and for all the.
Evening, how you all doing? Should I restart? Hello, good evening everyone, how you all doing? Super excited to announce that I'm finally a winner of Mr. India, and been working hard for this for past 5 months now, and really excited to represent India on Manhunt International, where once our legends like John Abraham, Dino Moria once went. So I'm super excited and proud to represent our country. Thank you so much for coming here.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rakesh Bhosekar and I am Mr. India Rubaru 2025 Mr. Global, and I'll be representing India coming soon. And I would like to thank Pankaj Kharbanda sir, Manav Ranka, Vishal Tawani, and Parimal Mehta, Amit Khanna, and many others. Thank you for this opportunity. I love you all, and I love